Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video of mounting tires using two different mounting techniques, using zip ties and using spoons. I just got some V359 V rubber tires. They're one of my favorite tires. They're not too wide and they're really grippy. They're not slicks, and they have really good grooves in them, but they're also not real knobby. They work great on pavement and off. First thing you want to do is mount the tire onto the rim. Make sure you know the direction that you want the tire to be mounted. Mine has a rotation arrow right here, so it'll rotate this way. I like to lube up one side with some soap. You can slide it around the rim until it fits on. There. There are two nuts on the valve. I put one inside the rim and one outside. Take the first nut off the valve stem and then position the valve stem into the rim and through the hole. This part's a little tricky. You want to reach in and find that valve stem with your fingers and get it through the little valve stem hole. If you can see, now that I have it through, I like to attach the nut under the valve stem to keep it from coming back. Now we want to finish making sure that the inner tube is fully seated in the rim. Now I like to use a little more soap, and I kind of spray it in the middle where the tire is going to contact the rim. This will just make it a little slippery. We want to start away from the valve stem. First, press this side in. Once you don't think you can go anymore, you can start using your spoons. I have metal spoons and I have plastic spoons. Insert your spoons on opposite sides and then work it very slowly, just 1 inch at a time. Woo! Position yourself so you can hold down this spoon and then work with these ones. And if you work in shorter increments, just 1 inch at a time, it'll make it a lot easier. This one's kind of tough, so I am going to go to a metal spoon. Alright. It's pretty cold in the garage, so I did have to finish up with the metal spoon. These are powder coated, so they did not get scratched at all. And the spoon that I use is very smooth, so I really like this one. Put a little bit of air in it. I went up to 5 psi, and I just go around it and massage it a little and make sure that there's no pinches in the tube. Once there's no pinches, you can finish inflating it, and it's good to go. So that's one way to mount a tire using spoons. Hope this helped. If you have any questions or if you do a different way, leave me some comments. I'm going to do another video where I mount it with zip ties. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye.